This is a pre-built version of the application. Now in a .csv file, we don't have any information about the fields. So we added a metadata directory where we specify that information. So for department.csv, we'll have a department.json file where we specify that the department ID is an int and the department name is a text. And if we open up create DB, so here we prompt the user to select one of the available .csv files directories, and then we combine data obtained from .csv files with metadata obtained from .json files. And we use the combined data in order to create and populate an associated table in the database. So let's go ahead and run it. And we'll pick the employees directory. So we created this database, and it has two tables. So it has those two, the directory has those two .csv files, department.csv and employee.csv. So we created associated tables for each one of those files. So the table department was created using data from department.csv and its associated JSON metadata file. And the table employee was created using data from employee.csv and its associated JSON metadata file. Next, let's quickly run the application. So we have those two tables in the database. And if we do a select on this table, and a select on this one, we'll start by copying this project directory. And here we will add this metadata directory. So it will mirror the data directory. So each .csv file will have a .json file as metadata for it. So for example, for employee.csv, we have employee.json. So we have the last name as text and the department ID as an int. Let's delete this one. And this is updated code. So we added this here, obtain.csv file metadata. And we combine data obtained from the .csv file with the metadata obtained from the .json file. So here we pick up the keys and the values data for the .csv file, and then we pick up the metadata for that file, and we pass both of those to the create table. So keys and values data and metadata. And this is the updated create table. And this is the handle.csv file. And this one is the select directory. And let's go ahead and test run the application. And we'll go with faculties. So the directory faculties contain those two .csv files, and the table department was created using data from department.csv and its associated JSON metadata file. And the table faculty was created using data from faculty.csv and its associated JSON metadata file. And let's go ahead and test run the application. So we have those two tables, department and faculty, and this is the SQL to create each one of those. So department ID is an int and department name is a text. And here first name is a text and last name is a text, and department ID is an int. And if we do a select,